Today I'm going to show you how to remove the probe from a Varian EM-360 magnet. If there's a piece of foam over the top of this opening, remove that to expose the probe. A lot of times there will be some foam pieces in here acting as insulation. You'll have to remove those as well. First thing we'll do is just remove the light or the probe top piece. A lot of times it's just a piece of plastic that's sitting there. There are two cables that come in labeled H and X. Those can be disconnected and set off to the side. A lot of times they're coming in from this direction. You can disconnect them and just move them off to the side. This shim cable is just a 25-pin cable. You can just pull up on it and it comes loose. There's nothing holding it in. It's just a press fit. I'm going to shove it under the insulation there. There's two more Tygon tubes supplying spin and eject air. We'll leave those on just for a moment. There's two screws, one at 9 o'clock and one at 3 o'clock, and before we remove them, we'll loosen both of them a little bit. This is a 5/32 Allen driver. You can also use an Allen wrench, the L-shaped little wrench. Once they're both a little loose, we will remove one at a time. The main thing is we'll unscrew it all the way. Carefully reach in, and after you pull it out, set it somewhere far away from the magnet opening. You don't want that falling in. Even though they're stainless steel, they are slightly magnetic and can be attracted to the pull faces and scratch them, causing a big problem. So again, we'll take out the second one, and I'm going to put a little pressure on this just while I remove the two air hoses for spin and eject. Set those out of the way. Now when you remove the probe, we'll grab it by the spin tube and try to pull it straight up. If you need to, you can jiggle it a little bit front to back, but try not to jiggle it left to right so we don't scratch the pull faces. I'm just going to grab it and gently pull up. I didn't have to jiggle it at all. There are some spacers underneath the probe. They're kind of horseshoe shaped, rectangular. Make sure you save those. Those need to go back in so that it ensures that the probe is at the right height when we put it back in. That's all there is to it. Thanks.